Hey audio crew, today we're unboxing the H52, a 5.25-inch two-way coaxial full-range speaker system, ready to level up your car audio. Let's jump in. First, it comes as a pair with mesh steel grills included. A responsive polypropylene cone, UV-treated foam surround, and a dynamically balanced 1/2-inch PEI tweeter. Plus an integrated crossover with tweeter protection to keep highs crisp. Power specs of 70W RMS, maxing at 210W, so it handles both chill drives and loud jams. And 4. Ohm impedance plays nice with most car stereos. Build quality shines with neodymium tweeter magnets, a strontium ferrite woofer magnet, and a powder-coated, rigid stamped steel basket for durability. The mounting depth is 45 mm, 1.77 in, fits tons of car setups. If you're chasing better car audio, the H52 delivers. Solid specs plus tough build equals a win for your rides. Stay tuned for more unboxings. Catch you later.